Hi, this is Roberto. Welcome to a new episode of Clash of Clans. Today I'm gonna show you the brand new update that I heard they will add on Christmas. It was pretty strange, this Town Hall 11 update. Just look at this. It looked like a giant volcano in the middle of the base, and they're pretty cool, I think. And of course, as they showed on the ClashCon, I can show some what no Supercell staff did said. The Town Hall 11 is a big update. It may not affect everyone equally, but we definitely will see changes in attack defense, new hero, new defense, and probably the new hero is gonna be the Wizard Prince, cause exactly how I imagine it, because he looks pretty similar. Just look at this. It has a wait a second. It has a strange face and yeah, pretty cool. Then they will add a new weapon. I don't know which is it. It's look like a massive X-bow as this. It looks pretty strange. Just look at this. And I saw on the update that it gives a splash. It animate a how can I say? It's actually a nuclear bomb was shooting. So cause just look at this. It's like a giant weapon. I don't know what to say about it. Probably as I saw now on YouTube, I think it's pretty fake. This guy, which is the Wizard King, is looks so idiot. But it's pretty strange because look at this, a massive weapon which is gonna do an unimaginable splash damage. Just I saw on YouTube a chant that he can kill level maxed Barbarian King or Archer Queen at 2 hits. He fucked up your troops. So imagine that. But it will be really cool, but it's pretty insane, cause yeah, not really. They may a little bit shrink up the area where the X-bow, this, I don't know how can I call this weapon, is gonna make the rage. So yeah, pretty update as I think. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video. So if you know anything about this weapon, cause I don't know its name, it will be really appreciated to tell me in the comments. So, and the hero too, I think is gonna be the Wizard Prince. So yeah, goodbye guys, see you in the next video with Five Nights at Freddy's Facts.